Does Windows 11 have issues locating where a camera is? Then get the tool linked up with our video guide. So firstly, do some preliminary fixes like restarting the application. That does not detect the camera after closing it. Close the applications that have access to your camera, except the one you intend to use the camera in, or a gentle press around the integrated camera has solved the problem for many users. Next, if you have an external webcam, ensure it is properly connected. Now another possible fix is to enable camera by opening Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices, open Camera, and click the Enable option to enable it again. Also, check for the permission list. And then last on the list, update, reinstall or roll back the camera drivers by opening Device Manager. Expand the camera's category, right-click on the relevant camera driver, and select Update Driver. Uninstall, or click Properties, and choose to roll back to old driver. And those are the ways on how you can fix this Windows error on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.